actually gets most answers correctly will proceed to round number 2 and will have a chance to win 5,000 pesos. Okay? Very simple lang yan. Ladies and gentlemen, you all have your flashcards? We have 2 lacking flashcards here. This is very exciting. Akala nyo, this is the hard part? Wala pa to. You will have to work for your 5,000 pesos. Okay? But I'll promise you, it's going to be really, really fun. Okay, everybody with their flashcards? Okay, let's have the first question. Alright? I'm only going to say the question once. So please, listen to the question answer. Question number 1. What is John's favorite song? A. If I Believe by Patty Austin. B. Knocks Me Off My Feet by Stevie Wonder. And C. Only You by Lionel Richie. Ladies and gentlemen, what is your answer? What do you think is the right answer? I heard A, B, C, B, C, D. No! Alright, the right answer is letter B! Knocks Me Off My Feet by Stevie Wonder. Okay. A? Okay. Alright, please show your answers so the coordinators can keep track of your scores. Walang dayan to, or else push-ups, ha? Sige. 1, 2, 3. 3 correct answers. Okay? Okay. Here's question number 2. What is the name of the newlywed couple, non-human son, meaning aso? Okay? Letter A, Joey. Letter B, Moochie. Letter C, Snoopy. Ladies and gentlemen, let me see your answers. The correct answer is A, Joey. We only have 1, 2, 3 correct contestants. Okay? Alright. Now, here we go for question number 3. Anong ulam ang hindi kakainin ni June? Letter A, papaitan. Letter B, kare-kare. Letter C, pininyahang manok. Yes, you can coach your favorite contestants. Kailangan hatiin lang yung 5,000 pesos. Okay? Let's see. All answers. Come on. Final answers. No more changing. Okay? Final answers. The correct answer is letter C. Pinahang manok. Correct. 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 Alright. Okay. Good. Alright. Question number 4. Ano ang tawagan nilang dalawa sa isa't isa? Letter A, baby. Letter B, sweetie. Letter C, darling. What is the correct answer? Okay, answers? No cheating. No cheating.